The market now is going up. The cryptocurrency we can hear is going very high because since Donald Trump win the election. So as an investor, do you think right now is a good time to buy or to sell cryptocurrencies?
It can be, for example, what people say is you have to buy things what the government can't print.
Yeah.
For example, the currency, they can print a lot.
Yeah.
You can't print the stocks.
Yeah.
You cannot print bricks, land.
Yeah.
We cannot say now we have this capacity and in 10 years we have a lot of more.
Yeah.
The world is the world.
Hey guys, welcome back to BMK Mindset, a community of like-minded individuals who are ready to be inspired, learn and earn. So as you can see right now, we're here in Amsterdam at Investors Fair, and we are going to be talking to different investors and business owners. We're going to be asking them some of the curious questions, and I hope you're going to be inspired by this video. Who am I with today?
My name is Mitu.
Mitu, yeah? Mitu, are you are you a business owner, or are you an investor or an entrepreneur?
I'm an investor. I invest in the stock market and the crypto market.
Yeah.
So that's what I do.
How long have you been investing in the stock market?
I think now not very long, 6 years.
6 years. Yeah, what's the challenge about investing in the stock market?
Look, so you have two different types of how you want to invest.
Yeah.
Some people, they choose to invest active.
Yeah.
And you have also a passive way.
Passive way.
I myself, I specialize in passive investing.
Yeah.
Why? Three main things.
Yeah.
The costs are very low.
Yeah.
There's more diversification.
Yeah.
And you don't want to spend a lot of time for looking for the best
stock to buy.
the best investments.
Yeah.
So I don't want to beat the market.
Yeah.
I just want to grow with the market.
So you mean you are not a trader, you are an investor?
Yeah. True.
Okay, so right now, because as you know, we young generation, we are into quick money, making quick money. So, what do you think that most of the new generation right now they think bad about investing on stock market?
Okay, so for the term quick money, it's good that you tell that.
Yeah.
Look, if you want to make quick money,
yeah.
maybe buy a lottery, you have a chance to win millions. Or in crypto, you have the meme coins.
Yeah.
But for investing, you really need a long time.
Yeah.
To make money, because 97% of the investors lose.
Yeah.
Only 3% make money actively investing.
Yeah, of course I know every investing on stock market or any kind of investment, it involves also risk. So have you ever lost money investing in the stock market?
Yes, of course. In the beginning I was also like, I want to make money quickly, I want to invest in small companies. I look at YouTube, people say, yeah, buy this company or buy this stock, buy this crypto. And then 6 months later, your account is gone, your money is gone.
It's gone.
So always when investing, look wisely.
Yeah.
Make choices from the head, not what people say on YouTube or make YouTube videos about it, and just do your own research.
Okay. So as an investor, so who is the mentor to you that you follow up and say, that's an influencer who inspires me a lot?
Who inspires me a lot?
Yeah, because some people they have like Warren Buffett, and people they have different. There are a lot of people. Like, who do you look up to?
True. No, that's also Warren Buffett. If you look at him, he was very rich by only investing in stocks.
In stocks, yeah.
He didn't do any crypto. He didn't do any risky investments.
Yeah.
He invests in big companies like Apple, Berkshire Hathaway in America, and you see that he built wealth.
Yeah.
By investing into these stocks.
Okay.
So you have being rich on the other side, but you have being wealthy. That's where people want to go.
Okay, so you have mentioned about passive investing and also like active investing. So do you also, because sometimes when you're investing, there are also some emotions, and have you ever maybe have emotions and you want to buy or sell at the wrong time?
Of course, yeah. There's always a risk. It's emotional risk.
Yeah.
There is a chance investing, it can go a little bit down, a little bit up.
And how do you keep that emotions? How do you keep yourself motivated?
How do you keep it in control? You have to think in the long term.
Yeah.
If you see, we had the Second World War, we had the Corona crisis, we had the dot-com bubble. So if you invest in the long term for 20 years or longer, the history says investing is more rentable than saving.
So as an investor, do you also have other thing that you do apart from investing in the stock market?
Yes, of course. So I like to go early morning in the gym, hit my workouts, then have a bath. So firstly, before investing, you need to have a peaceful life.
Peaceful mind,
You need to have money in your bank account.
Yeah.
What I mean by that is, if you earn $2,000 a month
From the work.
and you invest all of the money in it, then you don't have a peaceful life.
Peaceful life. Yeah.
First, save, have a little bit of money in your account to, for example, on certain surprises, like for example, something goes wrong. You have always like a buffer. You have to. If you have problems, you can have that in your pocket.
Yeah.
But for investing, you need it's long term.
It's long term.
Yeah.
Because like now, as you have said, there's a passive income. Like a lot of people they think like only getting a passive income is only investing in real estate. Do you think that someone can live also on investing on stock market as an income?
It can be. It can be. For example, what people say is you have to buy things what the government can't print.
Yeah.
For example, the currency they can print a lot.
Yeah.
You can't print the stocks.
Yeah.
You cannot print bricks, land.
Yeah.
We cannot say now we have this capacity and in 10 years we have a lot of more.
Yeah.
The world is the world. It will
Yeah.
not get bigger or smaller. So choose wisely there in it.
Yeah, as right now in the market, I think there are a lot of the bubbles because they're saying like now crypto is high. What do you think about the crypto after the winning of Donald Trump in America? Do you think anything changed like?
Yes, that changes a lot.
Yeah.
You see that Donald Trump
Winning.
wants to buy Bitcoin.
Yeah.
He wants to keep it as a reserve.
Yeah.
So you see that the crypto market is currently booming.
Yeah.
But you invest in the technology. There is not something behind it.
Yeah.
So I don't know what it will be in 10 years, 20 years. We have to see that.
Yeah.
But it's really a good opportunity to invest in there.
So as an investor right now, as the market now is going up, the cryptocurrency we can hear is going very high because since Donald Trump win the election. So as an investor, do you think right now is a good time to buy or to sell cryptocurrencies?
To buy, I don't think so. Why? Now everybody's talking about crypto. Then the price is of course spiking
going
to
high.
new highs.
Yeah.
You should buy when
the price
nobody
is low.
talks about it.
Yeah. So you mean if I could buy cryptocurrency, I could buy it like a few years ago, not now, because now it's a high.
Of course you can buy it now. There's like prediction. Some people say Bitcoin will reach to 1 million.
Yeah.
But it's not sure. Some people like to trade in meme coins.
Yeah.
They make a lot of money with that.
Yeah.
But there's always risk about investing in crypto.
Yeah.
Because when you invest in stocks, there's a company behind it. There's a lot more behind a stock than crypto.
Okay, so as an investor, like, what has been the nice year for your investing? Like you say, oh, this year I made this kind of money, and how much do you make in that year?
Yeah, so I averagely look at the return between 10 and 50% per year.
Yeah.
I don't reach especially higher or lower.
Yeah.
Since I'm young, I'm 25.
Yeah.
I can take the risk now.
You manage the risk, yeah.
And if I'm older, I will like put my investments down because why you invest? You invest to enjoy your life.
Enjoy your life, yeah.
Not to invest till I'm 80, 90.
Then you start eating your investment.
Of course.
So you have to first enjoy you have to enjoy your life right now and not to wait until you are Warren Buffett age to start enjoying your wealth.
Look, there are not like many Warren Buffett. You have Warren Buffett, he had a good quality stock portfolio. We cannot say this will happen in the future because before, let's say in the 1900s, investing was really difficult for the normal person.
Yeah, you have to write the notes and
you have to write the notes. You have to be a big investor. Now, I want to say, let's say a monkey can even invest.
It's very easy
it's
now.
very easy. You can invest from €1.
Yeah.
The times has changed.
Yeah, for those one who always think like, no, investing in stock market is too risky or it's too complicated. What do you say about that one?
It's not complicated. You have, like, for say, ETFs, exchangeable tradable funds.
Yeah.
It's a basket with thousands of stocks.
Yeah.
And you can put your money in there. You don't have to look back.
Yeah.
And if you sit a period of 20 years, it will most likely to beat saving.
So some people they say, me I cannot invest because I'm too young. As you said, you are too young. You are able to take a lot of risk. Do you believe also with people who say I cannot invest in the S&P 500 because I'm too young? I want to take more risk. So do you think like S&P 5 is too low? The margin, the profit, the income that you make from?
Yes, I understand because it's averagely around 7-8%. So if you say I want to take risk at a young age, you should look like things like crypto, for example.
Yeah.
But the stock market is also a safety.
Yeah.
You have a certain way of safety on the other side, but it's also a lower potential, interest return you get.
Yeah. So, what is the best financial advice that you have ever received or ever had? The best financial advice when it comes to investing on stock market?
The best advice is first be happy here.
Yeah.
If you're not happy here, if you're not stable here, then you can invest, you can put money wherever you want.
Yeah.
It's really hard to keep your emotions under control.
Yeah.
So first I say to everyone, save, have a little bit of money in your bank account. If something unexpected happens, you have always a safe where you can get your money. And don't invest more, you can lose.
So as they always say that in order to manage your risk, you have to make sure you invest in different asset classes. So are you now currently invested 100% in stock, or you have also other different portfolios?
Yes, so I invest some in crypto, some in stocks, some in bonds.
Yeah.
So bonds are from the States, you will receive interest.
Yeah.
Crowdfunding, so that's also really good for startups. If they want to raise money, you can also get an interest on that. So you have to spread your portfolio wisely, but you have to look at the age. If you're 20 to 30, you can have more real estate and more stocks or more cryptocurrency. And if you go like 40, 50, 60, you want to go more in bonds.
Yeah, of course, I always hear a lot of people, they always complain, a lot of investors, they complain about I know you are not from the tax authority or anything, but I hear a lot of people complaining here in Netherlands, investors, they complain about the regulations and the taxes. So how do you think about the taxes and regulation in Holland as an investor?
About the tax system, if you look, for example, at Dubai, it's 0%. In the Netherlands, it is higher. But it's not just for me. It's for everyone here.
That's part of the
game.
So
I can't. That's if I don't like it, I would move. For example.
Wow, that's very nice. So any code that you have, any advice that you like to advise to anyone who is watching you, and he would like also to start maybe investing on the stock market, but he's afraid that it's a scam or it's very risky. What do you have to advise anyone who would like to start investing in stock market?
Yes, do your own research. Analyze some stocks. You can also watch now, before you didn't have YouTube, now you can find a lot of on YouTube. It's not financial advice what I can give or people on YouTube give, but it can give you more the ins and outs about a stock or crypto or anything else.
Yes, thank you so much, man. I appreciate for your time and have a nice day.
Yes, you too.
Yeah.